Hi, welcome back to Team Shania, Natural Art. Well, I want to tell you about wallpapering. I hear it often, people tell me. That is a lost art. And that's why we're here to try to help, teach you in some areas that are difficult to hang. We just showed you one about having to add, a fish in the corner, cut piece. And then this one is a wrapped piece, and there is about a ½ an inch of mirror or space in here, and the mirror takes up the rest. So there's a couple of ways you can cut it. You can almost cut it like this, but it's not as efficient. The best way to do it is with, of course, a new tip blade. And what you do here, once you get it all tucked in, is you put your blade closest to the mirror. And what you're going to do is you're going to end up cutting on top of your metal blade. And it just cuts the wallpaper, see? And you just move it down. It's like getting a haircut. You may have to cut it twice. But I'm going to go all the way to the end so you can see it. I'm going to turn around and go back this way. And it doesn't have to be a straight cut because you're going to tuck it behind the mirror.